It was a blazing afternoon on the island of Jamaica, but inside the makeshift lab nestled between the lush hills, Thaddeus and Andre were deep in their work. Both 20 years old, they had grown up dreaming of pushing the boundaries of science. Today, their project was finally coming to life. A device that could access quantum data streams from parallel universes. Carrie, their 20-year-old work partner, was busy calibrating the final sensors. She was sharp, quick-witted, and always the voice of reason amid their experiments. "You sure this thing's ready?" she asked, eyeing the shimmering device that looked like a fusion of Jamaican craft and high-tech gadgetry. Thaddeus grinned. "It's as ready as it'll ever be. Imagine seeing the universe finally, eh? Carrie, what if we could see what's happening in other worlds? Maybe even communicate?" Andre nodded. "Let's just hope this doesn't blow up in our faces." With a shared look of determination, they activated the device. A low hum filled the room, lights flickering as the machine pulsed with an otherworldly glow. Suddenly, a ripple ran across the screen, a shimmering portal opening before their eyes. On the other side, they saw a mirror image of their island, but everything was subtly different. The sky was a shade of violet, and strange floating structures hovered above Kingston's coastline. They stared in awe, feeling the weight of what they'd just achieved. "Yo, this is crazy!" Carrie whispered, her eyes wide with excitement. "We're looking into another universe." But then, the portal flickered. A shadowy figure appeared on the other side, reaching toward the device. Thaddeus and Andre froze. They hadn't expected any visitors or threats. Suddenly, the figure's hand broke through the portal, grabbing the device. The portal destabilized, flickering wildly. "Quick, shut it down!" Carrie shouted, voice trembling. Thaddeus and Andre scrambled to reverse the controls. The device powered down just in time as the portal snapped shut, leaving only a faint echo of the other universe flickering in their minds. Breathing heavily, they looked at each other. "That was close," Andre said, voice shaken. Carrie nodded. "We just tapped into something dangerous. But imagine what else is out there." Thaddeus looked at the quiet, flickering screen. "This is just the beginning. We need to be careful. Who knows what else we'll find, maybe even other worlds waiting to be explored." As the sun set over the Caribbean Sea, the three friends knew their journey into the unknown had only just begun. They had glimpsed the multiverse, and now they were ready to explore what lay beyond, cautiously, but with unshakable curiosity.